10. Yes, there are over 10 million groups on Facebook. The question for you I have today is, are you leveraging Facebook groups to grow your business? Well, no matter what you said, stick around. I'm going to share some really valuable information that's going to help you grow your business with Facebook groups. Stay tuned. Hey there, Impactor. It's Coach Fryer here. So good to be back with you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not already subscribed, be sure to do so. I'm so thankful for you. Each and every Tuesday, we launch a brand new YouTube video here. So be sure you're subscribed so you can get the notification. One other quick bit of information before I dig into this video today is if you have not already grabbed my brand new book, you can get your free copy by going to coachfryer.com/YIP. It's called Your Impact Playbook, and inside I'm going to teach you how to stop being busy in your business and start being more productive so you get better results. Go grab your free copy today. Now let's dig into how you can grow your business using Facebook groups. Let's go back to the number, right? 10. There are 10 million groups on Facebook. Write that down, right? The second stat I want you to understand is there are 400 million active users inside of Facebook groups. There's 400 million people actively using Facebook groups every single day. One other bit of information I want you to understand, for those that don't know, Mark Zuckerberg is the creator of Facebook, and several months ago he actually shared a public message saying that his shift and Facebook's overall shift with Facebook groups is going to be more and more apparent. What does this mean? They're going to put more focus, more energy into Facebook groups, right? Why? Because they feel that Facebook is a platform that is for building meaningful relationships and communities. It's all about connection and relationships and friendships with other people. And Facebook groups is their answer to this equation. The question now becomes, well, Coach Fryer, how can I use a Facebook group, to grow my respected business? Well, stay tuned. I want to give you 2 quick tips to help you grow your business, no matter what type of business you're building, using Facebook groups. Let's dig into the good stuff. So in my own humble opinion, there are 2 different ways that you can grow your business using a Facebook group. Number 1, write this down for those of you taking notes. Number 1, you can be a contributor. Be a contributor, right? What do I mean? Well, I simply mean from 2 to 5 active Facebook groups that maybe have some correlation or relation to the niche that your business is in, and start contributing. How many of you are guilty being in dozens and dozens and dozens of Facebook groups, right? And you're not contributing. You see, social media was created to reward those who contribute. Facebook groups is just another means for you to do so. There are, like I said, 400 million people using Facebook groups. And you, up to this point, might find yourself of just being a consumer, not a contributor. So find a couple of groups. I suggest with maybe just 2 to start. That have a correlation, a relation to maybe the niche of products you sell or services that you provide. Request to join those groups, okay? Make an introductory post with a good old selfie of you and share a little bit more about why you're excited. Thank the admins for allowing you to be in there. Create a little curiosity as to what you do, but don't give away your links, your business name. Don't self-promote any of those things. Make it a really genuine and valuable introduction post. Then I suggest putting it on your calendar to contribute 2 posts per week to that respected group, okay? And then I also want you to use what I call my 3 by 10 rule. What does this mean? This means that 3 days per week, okay? I want you to spend 10 minutes and jump into those groups and comment, like, reply, and interact with posts that are going on in that community. This, in summation, is going to, number one, help you to be a contributor, not just a consumer. This is going to directly reflect your business in terms of this is going to help you create more friends, more followers, and more sales in your business. Next, let's talk about the second way Facebook groups can help you grow your business. Number one, we said that you can be a contributor. And now number two, the other option is for you to be what I call a creator. You see, I have helped countless entrepreneurs over the last 5+ years create their own Facebook group. This immediately is going to help establish you as someone who is resourceful, someone who's helpful. It's going to help create a name for yourself to become more of an authority in whatever niche that you are providing content and value around. Now, I'm not going to get into all the details of how to create your own group, how to start it, what types of posts to make, what to name it, how to make more sales, all that cool stuff. I'm not going to get into all that in this video, but if you would like help in creating your own group, I want to personally invite you to our virtual Impact Academy. You can get on our wait list by going to coachfryer.com/VIA. We're opening the doors soon, and I would encourage you to get on that list if you need help in that area. But now, back to number two. You need to be a creator, right? You're either a contributor or a creator. You can choose where to start, but if you feel you're ready to start your own Facebook group, I feel that this is going to be really, really powerful to help you grow your business online. You see, again, you're going to be seen as the resource. You're going to be seen as the influencer, the impactor, the authority, right? Okay? This is absolutely great to help you build your name and your brand online. You're going to provide, generic value. You're going to, maybe gently mention your products maybe 2 or 3 times per month within all the other content that you're sharing. So it doesn't sound like you're coming across as spammy or salesy inside your Facebook group. But lastly, one of the reasons why I encourage you to be a creator and to start your own Facebook group sooner than later is because what you're going to be able to do is build a community of targeted buyers. Instead of spamming your Facebook walls and your stories, right? You're going to actually create a community with people who want more of the information you have to share. And when you weave in opportunities for them to capitalize on grabbing a product or getting a service that you provide that's going to help them get results faster, this, my friends, is how this will help you grow your business with a Facebook group. As always, my hope and prayer is you got some value from today's video. If you did, copy the YouTube link, share this with your teammates, with your folks, with other entrepreneurs you think this could also help. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm so thankful and excited that you're here. I'm going to keep bringing forth the jam-packed value every single Tuesday just for you. God bless you, your family, and your business. Let's prepare to impact.